When it comes to technical analysis, most persons don't really understand how they can be able to start up the whole analysis. On the weekend analysis, I'll get to explain the technical analysis that entails BTC. Okay, what you should be expecting in the nearest time. Okay, so if you're new to the channel but you haven't subscribed, you can kindly smash that subscription button. Because once I get to release lovely content like this, you will get to be the first person to be notified as soon as I get to drop that. Okay, and if you get to see this, I'm on daily time frame. Yeah, the reason why I'm on daily time frame is because I want to have a very bigger view of the market first. I want to have a very bigger view of the market first before I get to a very lower time frame. Yeah, so if you can see this, okay, I am seeing something a swing low here. Okay, there's a swing high, swing low here, okay, swing high there, swing low here. Get to see something like here. Okay, we get a pullback, we get an uptrend, we get a pullback, we get a pullback, we get an uptrend again. Okay, so if you are to check out this, okay, what I normally tell my people, okay, once you get to see something like this, this ladder this ladder is actually going up. Everybody can actually see this very clear. Okay, the market is actually going up. It's a very clear uptrending market, but I can't be able to see anything. Let's see on the chart. Okay, let's do the analysis together so as we can be sure of what we are saying. We can be sure of what we are saying. If the market is actually on an uptrending market, or the market is going down, we don't really know. Let's get it done. And hey everyone, welcome back to the channel Architecture. If you're new to the channel but you haven't subscribed, just kindly smash that subscription button. Okay, let's get it done. Okay, let me connect my swing lows. Okay, connecting my swing lows so as we get a very clear view of the market. Connecting all my swing lows together to have a very clear view of the market. Nothing is happening in the market as a coincidence. Everything goes according to all the footprints being generated on the market. All the footprints being generated on the market. When BTC was somewhere around 24, some persons were saying it will just go down. Yeah, it's obviously on the support, and once the market is actually on the support, you can't be able to tell if the market will actually break the support, or it will just reverse. It will reverse. So that was what actually happened around this very area. So getting the support and resistance clear, let me just get this. Okay, this is a rising wedge. Okay, this is a bigger view of the market, a very bigger view of the market. Okay, so you can see the market is on a clear uptrending market. The market came down, okay, went up, came down, had a recent swing high there, pull back. Okay, where are you expecting BTC to be right now? Somewhere up there before you get a pullback. Okay, and once it gets to break that very resistance line, okay, this resistance zone, I consider it as a zone because we're having some false breakout there. So once it gets to break this very zone, you should expect it at the nearest swing high. Okay, but we are not getting there. We are not getting there. Okay, let's check out the very important levels, the very important levels which this market has. Okay, very important level which the market has. Okay, the market was actually on consolidation some time ago. Okay, but as soon as it broke out, those persons who have eyes in the market were able to get off the market. Okay, so let me get on a very lower time frame. Let's say maybe 3. Let's check out 3 hour. 3 hour. Mind you, we have our support and resistance at the bigger picture. Whenever you're doing your analysis, always try to have a very bigger picture of the market first before you go on a very lower time frame to make your analysis. Okay, if I'm to see something here, I think I can see a downtrending market before it was broken. Okay, something like this. Mind you, I have my bigger picture. Okay, that the market, the overall market trend is an uptrending market. This is BTC. Okay, this is that, and my resistance. This is my minor resistance line. Okay, you can see it's a very clear downtrending market. When it got broken here, nothing happens in the market as a coincidence. Okay, you can see we are having a very downtrending market here. The market was bearish. Okay, from 30 it came down to 27.3, went back to 29.8, pull back to 27, went back to 29.4, came down to 26. Yeah, that's how the market have been going and going and going since the 13th of April. This is 13th of April. Yeah, that was the market we were having, and boom, just of recent. Okay, 20th of June, there was a breakout from this very resistance line. Okay, if you actually remember the video, okay, the analysis which I made previous week, okay, the previous weekly analysis. Yeah, I told you that BTC was on a downtrending market. That was when it was ranging from here and there and here. Okay, but we had a breakout. Boom. What are you expecting? It should get to the nearest swing high. Where is our nearest swing high? This is our nearest swing high. This very place. So this, from this, let me get to draw my a minute. Let me get to draw this nearest swing high. Let me get a horizontal. Okay, this is the nearest position I should be expecting it. Okay, so at this very point, when I saw the breakout, I was like, wow, okay, definitely it will get to the nearest swing high. This is the nearest swing high. So it means once the market gets here, there's still possibility that the market will have a pullback from here. Okay, as soon as it gets to breakout here, we can have a pullback here, but that's not also guaranteed. Nobody knows how the market will behave, and you just have to treat what you see. You treat what you see, do your analysis, and follow your trading plans. So once it gets here, immediately it got here, and I was expecting it to pull back, but no, it didn't get to pull back, so I never got any entry. So as soon as it broke out here, I was expecting it at the nearest swing high. You know, we are not talking about this very swing high again. We should be talking about the nearest swing high. That's somewhere around here, this very swing high. And if I'm to consider that this is the swing high, good. So this was what happened. Okay, as soon as it crosses that side, I was expecting it to get here. Okay, I was expecting to get here because it broke out the minor resistance. The resistance now is our support. Is now our support. So as soon as it broke out, I was expecting it to the nearest nearest high, and that is here. That is here. I think I took some positions with my students. So this was where I was expecting it, and boom, you can see from here there was a little pullback, and boom, it got here. So now that it broke this very area, okay, it's either it gets down, okay, gets to this very, play around this very zone, and once it gets to break this very zone, I should expect it somewhere within here. And once it gets to break here, you get to see it here. And once it gets to break this very support, okay, you should be expecting it somewhere around here. And the more it breaks this is our major support. This is our major support. But as soon as it gets to break here, we should, just as I explained, as soon as it broke here, we expected it up, and as soon as it broke here, we expected it up. Okay, as soon as it gets to break this very one, expect it down. You can short this very market from here to here. Okay, so and as soon as you get to break here, expect it somewhere around here. As clear as that. As clear as that. And once you get to break here, okay, and once there's a reversal from this very market, okay, you get to break this very zone. That's 31,076. As soon as it gets to break this very, you should expect it at the nearest swing high. Let's check the nearest swing high, please. Let's check the nearest swing high. Okay, I will need to go on a higher time frame so as I can get the nearest swing high. Let's go on 1D time frame. Good. So this is it. As soon as we have this very breakout, what you should be expecting is the nearest swing high. Okay, this is a zone. This definitely needs to be a zone because there was a push up. So as soon as it gets to break this 32.70, what you should be expecting is the nearest swing high, and that is this. Let me get to put the trend line, horizontal line there. Expect it somewhere around 35. And how you mean? Okay, once you get to break this very level, you're expecting it somewhere around here. That's let's get the price here. Boom. Okay, you should be expecting around 47. That's how the market works. That's how the market works. But irrespective of that, the market keeps breathing in and breathing out. So the fact that you get a pump, okay, there was a pump here, okay, doesn't mean that the pump will continue. You will definitely need to have a pullback. That's a breathe out of the market. As soon as there's a breathing, there's definitely a breathe out of the market. So there was a push, okay, there was a heavy push from here. I think that very day BTC gave us about 11%, 10 to 11%, okay, just within 24 hours. Yeah, so which most persons were liquidated. Most persons who were hoping to short it were liquidated. So that's it. You know, in as much as you have a breathing, you definitely need to have a breathe out. So there was a breathing. It's obvious you need a breathe out of the market. So that's the pullback which we are expecting. But as soon as the breathe out doesn't happen and this very level is broken, expect the market around 35. You can actually long the market. Yeah, you can actually long the market. So with that being said, that's all we have for the weekly analysis. If you're new to the channel but you haven't subscribed, you can kindly smash that subscription button. Because once I get to release content like this, you get to benefit from it.